First, we'll start with neck movements. Interlock your fingers. Keep your hands under your chin. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale up. Stretch your throat region and hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then slowly neck center. Keep your hands in chin mudra. Now, slowly bend your neck towards your right side. Here to the shoulder like this. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Exhale. Inhale center. Now third movement in neck. Slowly breathe in. Now turn your head towards your right. Breathe out completely. Here your shoulders straight, back straight. Inhale center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Now we are done with neck movements. Now we'll go for hands. Here, close your thumb fingers. Now stretch your hands forward. Now go for hand rotation. Completely clockwise direction. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Same movement. Repeat reverse direction. Inhale. Broad your chest and shoulder. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale forward. Then slowly take your hands forward. Your hand should be equal to the shoulder level. Now try to take your hand back off your ear like this. Breathe in. Breathe out center. 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 So we are done with neck movements and hand movements. Now go for side stretching. Take your hands equal to the shoulder. Then slowly bend towards your right. Exhale. Try to stretch your upper hand as much as possible. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Always remember inhalation and exhalation. It's mostly important for your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now center. Now interlock your fingers. Side stretching. Stretch your hands as much as possible towards your upper. Then slowly exhale. Bend your upper body only. Inhale center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Yeah, go for according to your comfort. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. So how much you're getting, go for that much only. Don't force yourself here. Breathe out and make your breathe normal. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale center. Now towards your others. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly hands relax. Now go for upper body twisting like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Twist your upper body as much as possible. Inhale center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Breathe out. Breathe in center. Now breathe out. Make your breath normal. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale center. Exhale. Breathe normal. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till now we are done with upper body warm up. Now next one, go for lower body. Then slowly stretch your both legs forward. Try to make your spine straight, your shoulders. Now go for tap your knee like this. Alternate. Just relax your complete legs. Now at a time, join your both legs together, knees together, up and down. Both legs at a time, up and down. Free up your legs. Now join your legs together, toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Toes pointed out, toes pointed in. Go for rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can join your both big toes together like this. Now go for twisting. But here, don't raise your thigh muscles. Twist your upper body only. Breathe out. Breathe in center. 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 Breathe out and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Only 5 seconds holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are done with warm up. Now next go for Baddha Konasana, butterfly posture. Like this. You can join your both big toes together. Try to straight your spine. Here, give your movement from your hip joint. Knee up and down. Like this. Now go for 30 movements like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to 30 you can do it, okay? Now stretch your spine. Now slowly bend forward down. Exhale. According to your comfort, how much you are able to do, you go for that much only. Breathe in. But remember your inhalation and exhalation. Always exhale, bend forward down. Inhale, center. Exhale. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Center. Breathe out. Now hold for 5 seconds. Those are able to touch your forehead to the floor. You can touch like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then very slowly up. Now in this position, take your right leg to the right side. Like this. It should be completely horizontal. No. Okay. Yeah, like this. Look at me. Here. Keep your toes completely pointed in. Hands equal to the shoulder level. Then slowly exhale. Inhale, center. Other side. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Now bend to the right. Stretch your upper hand as much as possible. Here, if you are getting pain, I know, but don't raise your knee. Your knee should be straight. If possible, you can catch your toe. Stretch more your upper body. Stretch more your upper hand. Hold here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the left side. Stretch more. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now, next. We are done with right leg, right? Now go for with left leg. Left leg completely straight. So, not in diagonal posture. It should be straight line. Horizontal. Now, hands to the side. Now bend to the left. Exhale. Inhale, center. To the right. Breathe out. Inhale, center. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out. Breathe in, center. Breathe out and hold for 5 seconds. Keep your toes completely pointed in. Don't raise any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now other side. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly center. Now once again come to the butterfly. Now next we'll go for Marjalasana. Okay, cat posture. In Sanskrit, name is Marjalasana. Now, here look at me. First, stand upon your knees. Okay, keep your toes pointed out and try to maintain equal gap between your foot at the same time your knees. Your hand should be equal to the shoulder level, like this. Your hand should be equal to the shoulder level. Then take a breath in. Try to push your spine in. Look up. Breathe out. Up. Look up, spine in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, hold here for 5 seconds. Try to push your spine in and feel the stretching in your vertebrae. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we'll go for hand movement first. Slowly. Take your right hand power down. Left hand power down. Right hand power down. Left hand power down. This is very easy. Now take your right hand power. Try to hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly take your left hand power. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are done with hand movement, right? Now go for leg movement. Slowly raise it up. 1, down. Inhale up, left leg. 1, 2, down. Then slowly right leg, breathe in, down. Left leg, inhale, exhale, down. Now go for folding. Raise your right leg up, hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember, try to maintain normal breathing here. Now raise your left leg up. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now in this position we are done with hand movement, leg movement. Now we'll go for 8 at a time, hands and legs, okay? Now take your right hand power, left leg up like this. Toes completely pointed out. Slowly down, breathe out. Breathe in. Other leg, other hand, opposite direction. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, right hand, left leg. Breathe out, down. Breathe in. Breathe out, down. Now we'll go for only 5 seconds holding, okay? If you are able to hold, you can hold, or else just relax. Yeah. Right hand, left leg up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very slowly down. Try to maintain normal breathing here. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, so we are done with Marjalasana completely. Back bending posture. Now come to counter posture. Shashankasana. Like this. Okay. Sit like this in Vajrasana. Take your hands back. Bend forward down. Relax. Then slowly take your right leg forward, your left leg forward. After this, you must do Shavasana. Lay down on your back, your palms face towards sky. Loose the complete body, head to toe, complete body loose. Eyes closed. Just observe your each and every body part, your head to toe. Observe your muscles, your joints, everything. Relax your mind. Completely body loose. And try to feel the lightness of your body. Try to feel relaxation of your mind. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Lose your complete body.